Hello everyone, it's Helen here. So we are just a few more days from TET, and TET to us is very special, but this year TET is even more special because of COVID-19, and we have so many stories to share. So we're gathering here today as part of our big family to cook Bánh Chưng, and we're gonna share a lot of interesting stories together. Some of you, I know that you don't have the chance to come back to Vietnam during this occasion, and also many of you as foreigners, you don't know about our tradition. So I'm making this video to share with you our culture as well as our stories of this special Tết year, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video and come join us. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Bánh Chưng is the soul of Vietnamese New Year, a must-have for Tết holiday throughout all of Vietnam. The main ingredients include glutinous rice, pork and mung beans wrapped in broad bay leaves that give the rice a green color after about 12 hours of boiling. It's always wrapped in square shape to reflect the earth. This is the evidence of the loyalty and the deep gratitude of Vietnamese people to our ancestors. In the traditional conception of Vietnamese people, the process of making Bánh Chưng is the opportunity for family members to come together. Sitting around the fire, we share one another the past stories. And this year especially, each and every of us has a very unique story to share. So while the Bánh Chưng is still cooking, I will have a minute to talk with my friend here. This is Sena, and she just come back from Japan and spent 48 days in quarantine. So, so let's interview her to learn more about her stories. So hi Sena, can you tell us about your journey back home?
Okay, so I was stranded in Japan for a little bit more than a year, so I took a job, and then COVID happened, right? Like it happened to all of us. I was trying to find my way back home for a little bit more than half a year, but all the flights was stopped, right? So I got to find another way, and in the end, I found out there's this this thing called a chartered flight, which is basically like a lot of people they rent the whole airplane, and then they kind of resell the tickets. Okay. So I got one of those tickets, and lucky you. Yeah, so I got home using that way. Okay. And the chartered flight is not it's not officially recognized or anything. I'm not too sure, but if you find its information on websites like Vietnam Airlines and everything, you won't find there. Oh, you won't find the airline, the flight information on the Vietnam Airlines website. Okay. Yeah. After that, I came back to Vietnam and I landed in Nồi Bánh, Hanoi, and I got transferred all the way to Thanh Hóa to do my quarantine there. So I was there for like 14 days, and after that, I went home, and then I have kind of like a mandatory self-quarantine at home as well. So altogether, it's like 48 days. 48 days. What a long journey home. Yeah. And so what was the first thing that you would like to do, and what did you do at the first thing when you come back home? I actually just wanted to meet my family. I met my mom first of all because she came to the quarantine center to pick me up. I never really thought about what I would like to do first once I'm home, but that day when she picked me up, we kind of had like a really warm meal by this small stall in the middle of nowhere. So it was really heartwarming for me. So to know that my mom's here, I can have a meal with her, with she's being in front of me, and that meant a lot to me. Yeah, sometimes I still couldn't believe that I'm home finally. Oh yeah. So welcome home. Yeah. So this is Huy and Uyên. There's a very young couple in Vietnam, and Huy and Uyên, let's tell our viewer here on YouTube how has COVID-19 changed your business and as well as your family life?
So my business got closed. Alright,
Not too bad.
but for that I learned a lot. So yeah, I guess I gained something from it. for family life, I get to spend a lot of time with my daughters. So yeah.
It's a good thing.
Well, I try to be positive. So yeah.
Our business, we went down from 20 staff to around how many now? 7?
7 including us.
Yeah, 7 including us, and it's been crazy. But we and the staff left standing are really strong now because of that. So we survived the worst time together. So I think nothing can beat that.
For this year, we have a very important moment, which is my sister came back from Japan after 7 years. So for the first time in a long while, we are together. That's why we are holding a very special event tonight to gather all of us.
Especially for us, it's been a long while since we cooked bánh chưng together, right? I think since university time, so a long time ago. So that's why this event tonight is so special for us, that we want to share with everyone. Yeah. So we're so happy that many people are coming tonight, and they love this tradition.
Hi, so is it the first year that you spent Tết in Vietnam?
No, this is my 5th year.
Oh, your 5th year?
5th year for Tet in Vietnam.
Okay,
yes.
that's good. So how do you think this year Tết in Vietnam different from previous years?
This year people are a lot more cautious, and I don't think people are travelling as much.
Right.
Yeah, so I think more people will be in Da Nang. And but people won't travel to Da Nang either.
Right. And what do you think about our bánh chưng culture?
I love it.
Yeah.
I love all the food in Vietnam.
Yeah.
So that's one of the reasons that we live here, because we enjoy the food so much.
Yeah. So what's your plan for next year? You still gonna stay here for longer?
Yes, we'll stay here forever if we can.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we love it here. So we've been here for 5 years. So we will continue to stay here as long as we can. Yeah, we're very, very lucky here. Yeah.
I have about 20 to 30 bánh chưng that has been cooking in this big and long pot for about 12 hours. So it's now time to dish it out. And we're gonna offer this first to our ancestor. This is one of the ways that we show our gratitude to the ancestors. So the years of rat has been different, but just stay positive and stay healthy, take more vitamin C and wash your hands. I hope that you all will have a merry, very happy new year with lots of luck in the coming year. See you then in the next year. Bye bye. Happy New Year. Mì nhìn kênh camera kìa. Bye bye. Mì hôn gió đi.